just leaving.
Church day.
Like, small journey, the heat is too much.
But you're still looking fine.
Don't take picture in the church.
I mean, so we forgot to take that picture.
Take pictures now.
Hey, we forgot to.
Take picture now.
Bravo. Both of you are matching. Senator A, Senator B.
Son is good for him. I didn't forget, I remembered actually.
So we see. Yo, this is the future, man.
Yeah.
Yeah. Future of what I don't know yet, but it's the future. Get it? To be tell them. Tell them they are the future. Tell them. Let them know they are the future. Oh yeah, clean your sweat. The future, yeah.
It's our future.
Yeah. Yeah, tell them about that future.
Future neurosurgeon, you know.
Eh? How do you know?
Yes.
To be done. They say you could play pool.
Ben Carson has found his match. Magical hands.
Magical hands, eh?
Yeah.
Off the pass.
Amen.
Yeah.
This is our mama. Mama in the building.
UFC fighter.
Eh? Neuroscientist, yes.
Yeah, she'll be messing up their brain and treating their brain.
I beg she.
When she finish messing up their brain in UFC, she'll go and treat their brain.
My fellow French people, you're going back to Douala. Your girl is coming back. I'm coming back to you live and direct this night, Kita. Now, is it Nabania? Nabania. Okay, I'm coming, you know. But tomorrow morning, 8 a.m. sharp, I have a test. Is it not witchcraft? It's not juju, it's not charm. I don't know. Like, they don't want your girl to just rest and relax. No, I have test immediately. And I have to study this night, and in the AM. You get, you know, the struggle is real, the hustle is real. But, you know, we're going to finish this tenor. And, you know, we're going to bag that degree as we should. So, yeah, to the airport we go. we're going home. Semi-home, mini-home, I don't know. Oh, it's home. Guys, it's not the mini one. It's the Airbus. I'm so glad and happy. Like, honestly, this feels like a dream. It's too good to be true. Like, let me pinch myself. Airpiece using the Airbus to go to Douala. But actually, we had to wait 40 minutes extra because the aircraft we're supposed to use, they swapped it with this one. I don't know what's wrong with that one, but anyways, I'm glad.